All right, so you want to start trading. What do you need to start trading? You need a laptop or a computer. You need good internet and a trading platform. So the most popular trading platform is TradingView, which is what's on my screen right now. Basically, you need to trade through a brokerage account. You need something, a company, to take your money and execute buys and sells in the market on your behalf when you say to. In the past, this meant you had to go to a trading floor or to a place where you would have to scream out or talk to a broker directly in person and say, yes, I would like to buy this share, please, right now. But today, in the electronic world, we can do that auto-magically, as I like to say. So how can you get started? Make a TradingView account. You can go to tradingview.com. There's a link in the description. Remind myself to put that there. Anyway, and you can start paper trading. But before you do that, there's a few things you need to know before you can start trading. Not only do you need to understand that it's very important to go and use paper money. So you can go to the trading panel. You can connect paper trading, which is down here in the bottom left. Connect, right? And now we have a paper trading account with, $100,000 of fake money. Don't worry, it's not real. You're not going to have to owe anything. And you can go here and buy and sell to your heart's content. As we see, there's a sell order up here now, right? But before you do this, how can we trade? Do I know what my strategy is? Do I know how I'm going to buy and sell? No, I don't. And that's the most important thing that you need to learn. Before you start trading, yes, it's important to have a computer and a good internet connection and a trading platform like TradingView, which is very user-friendly. It's the most user-friendly trading platform that exists, honestly. You need to learn first. You're not chasing profits. You're not chasing to get rich tomorrow because your buddy told you it's possible or you saw some influencer on YouTube say so. I guess I'm also an influencer on YouTube, but I say no. Realistically, that's not how it works. What you need to do before you take any trades, real or fake, is understand some basic terms, like understand what a CFD is, a contract for difference, right? Now, a contract for difference allows you to buy and sell in the market through a derivative. So it's through you're not holding the real asset. Instead, you're holding a promise that you're going to buy here, and the broker will owe you the difference if you sell up here, therefore making a profit. Or if you go short, the opposite is true. You're going to sell here, and the broker will owe you the difference. But if you went long here, let's say, and you exited the trade down here, right, and therefore you're in a loss, you then owe the difference. So it's just a matter of tooling, right? You lose this trade. You aiming up here, but the trade goes against you and you lose. You get stopped out, right? The way that this works, the way that this happens is you owe the difference, contract for difference, right? You need to understand how the market works, how do buying and selling works. We're going to talk about this in later videos, but it's very important to understand how the fundamentals of the market before we even think about actually buying and selling in the market. We need to have a strategy. Maybe that means, you're going to add some indicators that give you random symbols. What does that mean? Who knows? You have to understand what you're using. Some very common strategies are using moving averages, you're looking at order flow, or understanding candle patterns. These are all common ideas, and we'll talk about them soon later on in the series. However, you need to understand that you have this literacy first. It's not a sprint. It isn't, we're going to buy here and sell up here tomorrow. No. You're going to do that over time. It's a marathon. It's going to take time. And if, frankly, you aren't willing to do that, trading may not be for you. But if you're willing to take the time, you understand that this will take weeks, months, years to master, then one day you might be looking at the chart and knowing exactly what it's going to do next.